Heyo friendos, welcome back to my channel. It's so good to have you guys here today. My skin is suffering. So today I'm going to show you guys, in case you are in a similar predicament, how I'm trying to rehydrate my face and get the skin to stop peeling, stop flaking, and just live its best life once again. So friendos, go grab a water. We're about to get started. Just stay tuned. So I'm going to start out this one with my Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. Now the reason why I'm starting out with this before everything else is because I want this to absorb into my skin before I start putting my eyeshadow products down. By the way, I did not find this on my floor. If you watched my banana fetish review, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm going all over my eyelid and underneath. And friendos, this summer has been no joke. I want to hear from you guys. What have you guys been up to out in the hot sun? Anyone else gardening or going to the pool, doing all that fun stuff? Let me know. I always like to hear from you guys. And the next product I'm going to use is something really heavy duty. This came in my Allure box and I have, as you can see, been reaching for it quite a bit. This is the Osea Essential Hydrating Oil. And I'm going to go in lightly because like I said, this is heavy duty. This is if you are looking for extreme hydration that never completely seeps in but will continue to rehydrate your skin as the day goes on. This is it. It's just so refreshing, not even joking. I've also had to take a break from my retinols. I had been using that and then not drinking enough water, going out in the sun day after day. And the other day I was recording a video in my kitchen and I was like, wow, my skin is looking really dry, crepey. I don't know, I just looked older. So yeah, taking a break from the retinols, letting my skin just hydrate. So the next thing I'm going to use is my Merit. This is their Perfecting Complexion stick. Now this one was not my favorite as far as coverage is concerned. Also, I didn't really like it at the time that I used it because it's cream and I'm not that into cream products on the regular. But since my skin has been so dry, I have been reaching for this more. So it's a little bit lighter than what I would like. I'm also going to couple it with my Huda Faux Filter foundation stick, and this one is also a cream formula, but it does dry down, so I'm gonna go light with this. And next up, as I blend this in, I'm going to go very, very softly on my face and really take my time. If I go into heavy, there's a chance that I could make my skin look even more flaky than it already does. So I'm gonna go in with that little angel touch. Now, I know we've probably have sped up the clip, but I spent a good time just going in so lightly, so smoothly, so that I don't pick up any of my peeling skin and make it any more defined. I want it to lay flat on my face so that you can't see it. Next in, we'll go in with the Bionic Bronzer by Milk. This doesn't really dry down, so I'm going to use this as my contour today. I keep trying to remember to drink my water during the day to stay hydrated, but friendos, it's harder than what you might think. Like, I'm addicted to caffeine. I'm constantly reaching for coffee. And guys, I'm still in total disbelief that no one talks about this. It's the Hans Skincare Concealer. Today, I'm not going to go as high as what I normally do with my concealer because I want to avoid any crepiness that I can. Even though this is my concealer that crepes the least, or that causes the least amount of crepiness on my face, I'm dry. I'm so dry, like the Sahara Desert. Dry like overcooked cornbread. Again, I'm taking this down. I'm making sure not to go up. And this is going to take a little bit of time, but that's okay. Again, trying not to go up because if I do, then I will take it too high under my eye. Next up for my cream blush, I'm going to dip into the Natasha Denona Glam face palettes. I feel like I'm not being super energetic in this video, and it's basically because I'm trying to be so careful. So you guys, excuse my tood today. And lastly, as far as makeup is concerned, it always just feels wrong to me when I don't set my face, so I am going to be setting my face with some powder. One sec. For this one, I'm going to use the Dominique Cosmetics Translucent Setting Powder. Now, I've really been enjoying this. It has just the right amount of hyaluronic acid in the product where dry enough to set the makeup. However, it doesn't leave you feeling dehydrated. The one from Jaclyn, it would just not set my makeup and it ended up looking really cakey. I don't recommend that powder at all. I've tried it out several times since my initial video. If you are looking for a powder that contains hyaluronic acid, definitely pick this one over Jaclyn's. Now, if I were stepping out for a more fancy occasion, I would turn to my Makeup by Mario Cozy Lip Cream for a matte look. But I'm not doing anything very fancy today at all. I'm going to use my Merit Lip Oil. It's not that this isn't fancy, but when I think of fancy, normally I like to go matte. This is very glossy and has pigment, and it's absolutely the best lip oil I've ever tried. My sister hates when I make this particular face. But personally, I think it's the most flattering. Personally. Okay guys, I'm gonna go do my eye look off camera. I will be right back to you guys and then we'll talk about some other products that I use besides just makeup to keep hydrated. You guys, just stay tuned. Okay friendos, I'm back and I know I'm probably looking a lot different now. If you are curious about how I got this eye look right here, it is on my TikTok. So you can head over there and check it out if you are so inclined. Now in conjunction to all the products that I use today on my face, the rest of my body still needs hydration. So I was going to show you a few other things that I use in addition to what I'm putting on my face. So the first thing is what I use in my bath and in my shower. This is from Province Beauty. You guys have probably heard me rave about them before. I just feel like they're one of the most underrated beauty brands in America, really. So they're made in New York. This is their honeysuckle and white flowers. I have these in a variety of different scents. They're all fantastic. They all smell really natural and amazing amazing. The smell lingers on all day, and your skin will feel moisturized if you use this consistently. So this is their bath and shower oil. It will leave your bath very, very slippery after you get out if you just pour it in. I normally in my shower just apply it directly to my skin, like hand to skin, and that really does cut down on the oily residue in the shower. So just thought I would give that little tidbit of info. And in the same vein of amazing smelling products that also moisturize, we have the Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. You can use this all over your skin. It smells so good. It's got that rich caramel pistachio scent to it. So good. But yes, it also does a very good job of keeping the skin feeling moisturized. And friendos, I suppose we should conclude there for today. Thank you all so much for choosing to spend your time here with me. I truly appreciate it. I hope you guys got some good info about keeping your skin hydrated. If you already are dehydrated, if you have peeling skin, whatever the problem is related to not getting enough water and this hot beaming sun, I hope that you gained something that will help you out in managing all of that. And as always, I hope you have a phenomenal rest of your day. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below if you have a rescue system for your face during these hot months. I always like to hear back from you guys in the comment section down below. And friendos, don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, because if not, we'll both have to live in the sorrow of never knowing what could have been. Okay, guys, have a great one. Bye.